name is Mridul Sengupta.
And my name is Varun Dua.
As Team Indus believes that humans are multiplanetary species.
And we also believe that humans are not only confined to the earth, but they can be multiplanetary species. But before we colonize the humans to the moon, we need to analyze the behavior of lower species of the earth on the surface there.
How they respond to the surface of the moon? Is there any nutrition in the surface of the moon?
And this arousing question will be answered through our experiment
Project Luna Creep.
So what is Luna Creep basically? As we can get it from the name, creep on the moon. And the creep we are using, that is earth form. This experiment will show how a lower earth species can behave there on the surface of the moon.
In this experiment, we are going to use an earthworm. The earthworm will be inside the Canlab, which will be sent to the moon. Now, this Canlab will be undocked from the transportation system and work on its own. Now, the Canlab will dig some of the soil from the surface of the moon and put inside it. The earthworm will consume the soil and get some nutrition, and will monitor the behavior of the earthworm, like the growth rate, the temperature, and etc. Simultaneously, we will have an earthworm in the earth and do the same. We will feed him the earth's soil, and we will also monitor the growth rate and the same, and we will compare the both and get a baseline there.
Our onboard sensors will analyze the data like length, the temperature, and the nutrients that will be consumed by the earthworm for the growth on the surface of the moon. And if this project succeeds, we will then send the higher species of the earth like red and blizzard and compare them to for the survival.
We should proceed with this project because this project will give a baseline for the colonization of the human species on the surface of the moon, and it will be beneficial for our humankind.
And this is why we should pursue this project to the moon here.
Thank you.
Thank you.